Hello, today we discuss about MEDRA basics of MEDRA. MEDRA was developed under the auspices of the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceutical for Human Use. The activities of MEDRA Maintenance and Support Services Organization are overseen by an ICH MEDRA Management Committee, which is composed of the ICH parties, the Medicine and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA of the UK, Health Canada, and the WHO as observer. Course overview: gain knowledge of MEDRA scope, structure, and characteristics. Discuss coding conventions. Learn about the MEDRA term selection, points to consider, MTS PTC documents. Learn about MEDRA browsers. Watch a demonstration of coding with browser. Use browser to code with MEDRA. Conclude with question and answer session. MEDRA is a clinically validated international medical terminology used by regulatory authorities and the regulatory biopharmaceutical industry. The terminology is used through the entire regulatory process from pre-marketing to post-marketing and for data entry, retrieval, evaluation and presentation. Where MEDRA is used: regulatory authority and industry databases, individual case safety reports and safety summaries, clinical study reports, investigators brochures, core company safety information, marketing applications, publications, prescribing information, advertising. MEDRA structure: system organ class, high level group term HLGT, high level term HLT, preferred term PT, lowest level term LLT. The 5 levels of MEDRA: cardiac disorder, cardiac arrhythmias, in SOC cardiac disorder, HLDT cardiac arrhythmias, HLT rate and rhythm disorders NEC, PT arrhythmia, LLT in LLT arrhythmia, NOS LLT arrhythmia, LLT non-current other specified cardiac dysarrhythmias, LLT dysarrhythmias. Non-current terms: flag at the LLT level in MEDRA, not recommended for continued use, written to preserve historical data for retrieval and analysis. Terms that are vague, ambitious, outdated, truncated or misspelled. Terms derived from other terminologies that do not fit MEDRA rules. MEDRA codes PTNMA. Each MEDRA term is assigned an 8-digit numeric code, non-expressive, assigned sequentially. Codes can fulfill a data field in various electronic submission types. Example E2B. Multi-axial: the presentation of medical concept in multiple SOCs, allows grouping of by different classifications, allows retrieval and presentation via different data sets. All PTs assign a primary SOC. Determine which SOC will represent a PT during cumulative data outputs. Prevents double counting. Supports standardized data presentation. Predefined allocation should not be changed by users. A multi-axial terminology in SOC: respiratory, thoracic and multi-stinal disorder. Next step: HLGT, respiratory tract infections. HLT, viral upper respiratory tract infections. PT, influenza, HLT, influenza viral infections. HLGT, viral infections disorder. SOC, infections and infestations. Rules for primary SOC allocation: PT's presentation in only one SOC are automatically assigned that SOCs as primary. PTs for diseases, signs and symptoms are assigned to prime manifestation site. Congenital and hereditary anomalies terms have SOC congenital, familial and genetic disorder as primary SOC. Neoplasms terms have SOC neoplasm, benign, malignant and unspecified includes cyst and polyps as primary SOC. Exception: cyst and polyps have prime manifestation site SOC as primary SOC. Infection and infestations terms have SOC infections and infestations as primary SOC. Primary SOC priority: if a PT links to more than one and of the exceptions, the following priority will be used to determine primary SOC: congenital, familial, and genetic disorders, neoplasms, benign, malignant, and unspecified, including cysts and polyps, infections and infestations. A multi-axial terminology: PTs in the following SOCs only appear in that particular SOC and not in others. That is, they are not multi-axial. Investigations, surgical and medical procedures, social circumstances. What are coding for conventions? Written guides and sets of principles for using MedDrive that help achieve consistency in coding and data retrieval. Conventions harmonize exchange of MedDrive coded data worldwide. Common topics: misspellings, abbreviations, and acronyms. Combination terms due to concept: always query terms. Example: chest pain. Why do we need coding conventions? Differences in medical aptitude coders. Consultancy concerns: many more choices in MedDrive versus older terminologies. Even with autoencoder may still need manual coding. Autoencoder pitfalls: inappropriate term may be selected by autoencoder. Review all autoencoding carefully. Allergic to CAT scan autoencoded as LLT, allergic to cats. Myocardial infarction in the fall of 2000 auto-encoded as LLT myocardial infarction, LLT fall. MedDrive term selection points to consider: provides term selection advice for industry and regulatory purposes. Objective is to promote accurate and consistent term selection to facilitate common understanding of shared data. Recommended to be used as basis of individual organization on coding conventions. Developed by working group of ICS management committee. Updated annually in March. Complete versions available in English, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, Spanish, and Russian. Condensed versions of available for other MedDrive languages available on MedDrive and JMO websites. In some cases, with more than one option for selecting terms, a refer option is identified, but this does not limit MedDrive users to applying that option. Organizations should be consistent in their choice of option. General term selections: quality of source data, quality assurance, do not alter MedDrive, always select the lowest level term, select only current lowest level terms. When to request a team: use of medical judgment in term selection, select terms for all reported information, do not add information. Quality of source data, quality assurance: quality of original information impacts quality of output. Obtains clarification of data can be optimized by careful design of data collection forms and proper training of staff. Organization coding or guidelines should be consistent with MTS PTC. Review of term selection by qualified individuals. Human oversight of automated coding results. Do not alter MedDrive. MedDrive is a standardized terminology with a predefined term hierarchy. Users must not make add HOC structural alteration, including changing the primary SOC's allocation. When to request a team: use of medical judgment. Avoid company specific workarounds from MedDrive deficiencies. If concept not adequately represented in MedDrive, submit change request to MSSO. If no exact match in MedDrive, use medical judgment to match an existing term that adequately represents the concept. Select terms for all reported information. Select terms for every adverse reaction, adverse event reported, regardless of causal uh, associations. Select terms for device related events, product quality issues, medication errors, medical and social history, investigation and indicators as appropriate. Term selection points: diagnosis and provisional diagnosis, with or without signs and symptoms, death and other patient outcomes, suicide and self harm, conflicting, ambiguous or vague information, uh, combination terms: age versus event specificity, body site versus event specificity, location specific versus microorganism specific, infection, modification of pre-existing conditions, mm, exposures during pregnancy and breastfeeding, congenital terms, neoplasm, medical and surgical procedures, investigations,